Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to export contacts in any Samsung phone. If you're using any Samsung phone and you want to export your contacts, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your contacts app, and here just tap on three dots in the top right corner. Go for settings, then select export contacts, and here you can see your all contacts has been selected. You must have to tab on where you want to export your contact. As I'm going to select internal storage, then tap on export. Once you have that, your contacts will be exported. So you can easily find it in your gallery or files app. Here's a gallery. You can see there is no like that here. You must have to open your files app, and here just search for contacts, and you can find that. So that's how you can easily export your contacts in any Samsung phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.